Inside Google Slides, you're going to find Gemini right up here. And this allows you to create images with Gemini that you can use in your PowerPoint presentations within Google Slides. As of right now, all you can do is create images with Gemini, but I assume as Google Slides advances, you'll be able to create entire presentations with Google Gemini. So let's go ahead and create an image for our Google Slides. I've gone ahead and developed a prompt. What we're going to create is a retro Porsche in a futuristic city with flying cars around it, and HD details and shadows. And here you can choose between different styles of your image, and we're going to choose photography for our style. And now we have our results, so we can go down here and pick one if we would like. We're going to choose this gold Porsche right here. So now within Google Slides, if you need any picture, you can just go into Google Gemini and prompt it to create it with the AI, and it will insert it right into your Google Slides.